Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. If you are looking to import from China, maybe start an Amazon business, maybe just sell hot products online on your e-commerce website, then thanks for joining me. My name's Alex Ryan. In today's video, I'm going to open up your mind a little bit more. It's a little bit noisy over there, to other countries to buy products from. So maybe you're sort of stuck right now on where you can buy hot products from. Maybe you're not too sure what products to sell. So we're going to discuss that in this video. So let's get started. Welcome back, everyone. So today's video, I'm coming to you from Taiwan, and it's a beautiful, beautiful city here. Massive amount of temples here, and it is really, really nice here. And also, there's a lot of opportunity here as well. A lot of suppliers, a lot of manufacturers. In fact, just before coming here, I was in Ho Chi Minh City. Now, Ho Chi Minh, I don't know whether you're aware of this, people think, well, I've got a client importing footwear, and he's like, I want to import footwear from China. I'm like, well, have you ever imported that stuff before? And he says, well, no. I said, well, the best place to get footwear is not China, it's Vietnam. And he didn't know that. And funny enough, some of the products that you might be thinking of selling on Amazon or eBay or your own e-commerce web store might not be best from sourcing it from China. It might be better sourcing it from another country. Taiwan is well known for its niched products as well. Taiwan is actually known for better quality. So a lot of stuff from Korea sort of parallels with the electronics and medical equipment coming out of Germany. Believe it or not, Korea is like I think it's number 2 or number 3 in terms of quality of medical grade equipment. All right, so if you're in that niche, something to consider. Korea is also well known for a lot of other products as well, but Taiwan is also known for a lot of different products that people aren't really aware of. So have a look around, open up your mind, guys, to the China is just one place, but there's a lot of other countries out there that can help you with different products. All right, so just be aware of that. So once you nailed on your product, then you've got to import it, obviously. And if you need help with finding hot products, just visit my website. I've got a free video program there showing you 7 hot products that you can import from China. I also reveal some products that I'm actually personally importing as well. I don't hold back. I give you the products that I'm actually importing myself. So guys, have an awesome day. I hope you're actually I hope you use this advice and implement it, and jump on sites like Alibaba and AliExpress and Made in China and HKTDC, and actually start looking for products that excite you, products that are profitable and that have good margins. So yeah, check out my website for more information, guys. Have an awesome day. See you later.